Hey guys, just wanted to go over what you're going to be working on today. So, first things first, you should have your rough draft. Your rough draft should be copied, all of your 5 paragraphs here. Make sure that they transition well as a whole. This is due before you leave class today. Okay? The essay revision station is after you have completed your rough draft. So that's why I said it was a big deal for you to have your rough draft done. What you guys need to do is read the essay revision slide 1 completely. So let's go there. This is the essay revision slide 1. Okay, so this is what I'm referring to, and this is attached to this post. You're going to click on the link on the slide. It's blue and underlined. These actually both are here. So you're going to click on this bad boy. You're going to open it. All right. You are going to read slide 1 and then look at the 18 grammar lessons on slide 2. So let's read slide 1. Slide 1. You need to review the very last slide, which is 36. That's about plagiarism. This makes sure you get credit for your essay and it is not kicked back to you with a 0. Then you're going to go and you're going to choose your 4 standards. 2 pink, they're this color, and 2 yellow, which are these colors. You're going to read the grammar overview, watch the video to learn more, and then you're going to take a quick 3-question quiz for both grammar choices, okay? And then you are going to go back to your essay and revise the standards that you have chosen, okay? So let's go back to our instructions. Choose 2 grammar standards you want to focus on and list them on the essay revision slide. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to slide 2. I'm going to work on fragments and semicolons. So now that I know I'm going to work on fragments and semicolons, I'm going to go here and I'm going to list. So I'm going to put my fragments and semicolons. All right. Now I'm going to go back to my directions. And it says, go to slide 21 and take a look at the 17 yellow style lessons. So I'm going to go back to my standards. You can click on this little link right here, or you can just go to 21. So I'm going to go to slide 21. There are 17. Remember, everyone is doing 36 no matter what. So now I'm going to work on transitions and my thesis. So I'm going to do number 20 and 23. So I'm going to go 20 and 23. Actually, that's what I should have done. I should have wrote the numbers here. So let's go back here. Let's go back to grammar lesson. See, this button right here will take you back. So I said number 1 and number 8. Now the reason why they're numbered is because when I grade your assignment, your feedback will be based on these numbers. Okay, so 20 and 23, what is that? Let's go back to my style lessons. 20 is thesis and 23 is transitions. So let's go thesis. Transitions. All right, let's spell that correctly. And then, what does it say I need to do next? Everyone review and complete slide 36. This may not be one of your choices. So 36 cannot be your choice, and 36 is plagiarism. So every single person will do 36. Every single person. All right, now we need to complete the mini lessons. So I'm just going to show you one. So I'm going to go back to grammar lessons. And I'm going to go to fragments. Now, you are going to watch this YouTube video. You're going to click on this. You're going to push play. You're going to watch it. You're going to listen. Then you are going to take a quiz right here. It's only 3 questions. And then if you still need help or you're stuck, you are going to click on this and look at this website. So the number 1, this is what I'm going to work on. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to take this quiz. And I'm going to do that for number 1. And I'm also going to do that for number 8. Why? Because those are the 2 that I chose. So again, watch, read, take quiz. Read some more if you need more help. Same with your style lessons. There are no quizzes on your style lessons because you are going to be reading this, watching this, and just fixing it. So make sure you follow your checklists and you correct it in your lessons or your essay. Okay? So that is what you are going to do. And you're going to fix your essay and then you're going to turn it in before today or before tonight. All right. Good luck.